In this video, we will check the best ways to create outlines using Adobe Photoshop. So you can see I have created a document. So I will go to File and Place Embedded. And for instance, if we place an image here, and if I want to apply outline to this, so what we can do, like on the blank side of this layer, we can double click and the layer style will open. Or you can right click and blending options you can click. Don't double click here, like it will rename the layer. So blank side of the layer, or right click and select blending options. Then go to stroke, and here we can fill with color, like outside, position, inside and center. Our main purpose in this video outside, and the size, outside line we can control from here. And you can also select opacity like this, and we can fill with color, gradient, or even also with pattern. Also we can, like pattern we can select from here and like this. Okay, and you can see we have applied, see. And the next thing, like the next way, you can go to edit and stroke you can click. Right now it's not clickable, so what you can do, select the layer, go to layer and rasterize the layer. Now if you click on edit, so stroke is now clickable and applyable. So you can click here and you can see like outside and the color and width of stroke you can select and click OK and see we have applied outline. This is the next method. And for text, you can use same layer style option. We can, just a minute. Okay, we can go to text and click text. For example, we have typed my name. Let me change the size of the text. Now same thing, you can double click here on the blank side of the layer, and then you can apply stroke from here. Okay, like color, and we can apply like this black color and other things. So this is the method we can use to apply outlines. These are the ways that I told you, from layer styles and edit stroke, so we can apply outline. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.